How did one country become the center of global power, innovation and money? Why do millions of people around the world still dreaming of moving to America? From billion-dollar companies to Hollywood to the world's strongest military, America somehow became the most influential nation on earth. But America was not always powerful. In fact, there was a time when this country was struggling to survive. So, what changed? And what made the United States so successful compared to the rest of the world? The land of opportunity. One of the biggest reasons behind America's success was opportunity. For decades, millions of immigrants arrived in the United States with almost nothing. They came from Europe, Asia, Latin America, and many other places searching for a better life. And unlike many countries at the time, America allowed people to start over. A poor person could become rich, an unknown student could build a $1 billion company. This idea became known as the America Dream, the belief that hard work could completely change your future. The power of hard work. Americans build a cultural around work. In the United States, success was often connected with effort, risk taking, and productivity. People worked long hours, business compete aggressively, and many Americans believe failure was not the end. It was part of journey. This mindset helped create some of the world's biggest companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon and Google. These companies didn't just become successful in America, they changed the entire world. Freedom and innovation. Another major reason for America's rise was freedom. People were encouraged to share ideas, start business, invent new technology, and challenged old system. This environment created innovation at a massive scale. America became home to Silicon Valley, the most powerful technology hub in human history. Companies there created smartphones, social media, online shopping, artificial intelligence, and technologies used by billions of the people every single day. America also invested heavily in education and research. Some of the world's top universities are located in the United States. Places like Harvard University, Stanford University, and Massachusetts Institute of Technology. These institutions attracted talented people from around the globe. Scientists, engineers, business leaders, and creative mind. Many of them stayed in America and helped build new industries. Military and global influence is very important. After World War II, America became even stronger. While many countries were destroyed by war, the US economy expanded rapidly. Why? America gained global influence through its military, economy, movies, and technology. The US dollar became one of the world's most powerful currency. And American culture spread everywhere. From Hollywood films to fast food to music to social media platform. The billionaire era. America's billionaire era is coming. In recent decades, America created a new generation of billionaires. People like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Bill Gates. These entrepreneurs transform industries worth trillions of dollars, and they help make America the center of global business and innovation. But America also has a problem. However, success comes with challenges. Today, many Americans struggle with rising living cost. This is so bad reason. Debt, stress, healthcare expenses, and political division. This is the most bad problems in America. Some people believe the America dream is becoming harder to achieve. Others still believe America remains the land of opportunity. So, why did America become so successful? Maybe it was freedom, maybe it was hard work, or maybe it was the ability to attract ambitious people from all over the earth. But one thing is clear, America did not become powerful overnight. It was built over generations by millions of people chasing a better future. That is the main reason. And even today, the world continues to watch America closely. That's why. Do you think America is still the land of opportunity? Comment your opinion below and subscribe for more powerful stories about the world politics and modern society. Thank you.